In this video, we will show you how to using strike-through text on Google Docs or Google Documents. To using strike-through text on Google Docs or Google Documents, first let's create some text, for example, like this. And to make this text is strike-through, you can click Format, and in here select Text and choose strike-through. And how to do formatting, because when you type in here, all your text is become strike-through like this. You need to block your text to make this is normal. You can just click Format again and choose Clear Formatting. Okay, when you type again, your text is normal again, and when you need the strike-through again, just click Format again and click Text, click strike-through. And after that, the strike-through is appear again. You can clear formatting again. And that's all tutorial how to do strike-through text on Google Docs or Google Documents. Hope this video helpful for you.